Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my all dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Just
Good
open
morning,
your
sir.
just open your camera. Samarthigam, Mania sir, open your camera. Prakhar Agarwal, just open your camera. Gaurav Jain, chemistry, just open your camera. So today I teach you English language as a period of 4C, and the chapter name is the preposition, and the chapter number is 25. So in my previous class I completed the exercise number 3. So now I move forward to exercise number 4. So you have to open page number 81 on your English language book. Open page number 81. See exercise number 4 on the book. Everyone just open your book
Yes, sir.
and see exercise number 4. Mariam Khan, just see exercise number 4. So the question is, choose the correct preposition. So, Mania Hassan, in my previous class, I taught you about what is preposition. So, tell me the definition of preposition. Anyone who know the answer, what is preposition? Answer it.
Sir, I.
Yes, answer it.
Preposition is a word but before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to same other word in a sentence.
Yes, very good. You give your answer very good. You give your answer very correctly. Mohammad Zoeb, just open your camera and give your answer. Mohammad Zoeb, open your camera.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning, beta. Just tell me about the definition of the preposition. Before starting the exercise 4, let us take a quick revision of the definition of the preposition. Samarthigam, you know the answer?
What, sir?
You know the definition of the preposition? In my previous class, I taught you that what is preposition.
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
tell me the answer. What is preposition?
Sir, a preposition is a word put before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to same other word.
Yes, very good. In a sentence. So, what are the examples of the preposition? Gaurav Chan, what are the examples of preposition? Give me one example.
Yes, sir.
Give me one example of preposition.
Sir, on.
I said give me an example, not preposition word. A sentence where we use a preposition.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Yes, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So here, on is the preposition in this sentence. Okay? So now, I move forward to exercise number 4. The first sentence is Ruby congratulated me for, on my success. in this sentence? Answer it.
Excuse me, sir.
Wait, Gaurav, wait. Sania Hassan, answer it. What is the correct preposition we have to fill or we have to take in this sentence? Sania Hassan, answer it.
Sir, for.
No, the answer is not for. Gaurav Jain, answer it.
Sir,
Yes?
on.
Very good. The answer is on. Ruby congratulated me on my success. It is not for. Now the next sentence. Question number 2 or sentence number 2. We have been there since, for a long time. So what is the correct preposition we have to take in this sentence? Manya Hassan, answer it. Manya Hassan will answer it. We have been there since for a long time. So what is the appropriate preposition in this sentence?
For.
Yeah, very good. For is the correct preposition. So you all know about where we use since and where we use for. Anyone know? Anyone know the answer? From where we use since and from where we use for? No one know the answer? Okay, now I go. Okay, I tell you from where we use when, from where we use this and from where we use for. So, when we talk about the definite time, we use since. When we talk about the definite time, we use since, and when we talk about the indefinite time, we use for. So here we have been there for a long time. We don't know how much long time. We don't know how much long time is there. So we use for as a preposition in this kind of sentence. Okay? So take the for in this sentence. Now, sentence number 3. The new teacher. The new teacher is not popular with the students. So first of all, tell me, I am new teacher or old teacher in your institution?
What, sir?
Tell me, I am your new teacher or old teacher in this institution?
The new teacher.
So I am popular or not? So I am popular or not by the students?
The new teacher.
Yes, but I am popular or not?
Sir, you are.
I am popular. Samarth Nigam, I am popular. Samarth Nigam, just answer it. I am popular or not?
No, sir.
I am not popular.
Sir, you are a new teacher.
So I am popular or not? According to you, I am popular or not?
No, sir.
Okay. One answer, I am popular or not?
No, sir.
Okay, Gaurav Chan, I am popular or not?
Sir, all people know you.
Sorry, repeat it again.
Sir, all
Yes, all the students of class 4B, C, 3rd B, all are know me. So I am popular to all of my students. Okay, so here in this sentence, the new teacher is not popular by with the student. So by or with, so we have to pick by as the correct answer. If someone is popular, then we use but here. The new teacher is not popular by the student. Just because of student, they make any teacher popular just because of their teaching skills, their behavior, their nature. So all of you love my nature or not? You like my nature? Prakhar Bajpayee, you like my nature? Prakhar Agarwal? Zora Rizvi? You like me or not? Truly answer it. Saman Nigam, I don't have your book. Yes. Zora Rizvi?
Yes, sir.
You like my nature? You like my nature or not? आपको मेरा नेचर पसंद है? The way I behave, the way I teach, the way I talk to my students, you like it or not?
Yes, sir, I like.
पक्का? ये ऐसे झूठ
Yes, sir.
हाँ? अच्छा, कितने लोग कह रहे हैं कि हमारा नेचर किसी को नहीं पसंद है? हमारा नेचर किसको नहीं पसंद है? जस्ट रेज योर हैंड. मरियम, समर, गौरव जैन, सानिया हसन, अनामिका, ध्रुविका, आप सबको मेरा नेचर पसंद है कि नहीं पसंद है? यस और नो? ओपन योर माइक एंड आंसर इट.
Yes, sir.
सबको पसंद है?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, हम इतना अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, इतना अच्छा काम करते हैं.
No, sir, no, sir.
अच्छा, नहीं करते हैं.
नहीं, सर कहने का मतलब ये है कि जब टीचर नए हैं मतलब बहुत अच्छे से बात कर रहे हैं तो सभी बच्चों को लगता है कि ये टीचर बहुत अच्छे आगे जाके अगर किसी को मार पड़ जाए या कुछ भी हो जाए तो भरोसा ही उठ जाए.
बेटा दैट्स द अनदर थिंग. अगर आप काम नहीं करोगे, अपना वर्क फिनिश नहीं करोगे तो टीचर आपको पनिश करेगा ही करेगा. बट दैट डजंट मीन कि वो आपको प्यार नहीं करता है, आपको मानता नहीं है. सो आवर टीचिंग स्किल्स, आवर बिहेवियर, आवर नेचर मेक अस पॉपुलर. सो if you find me eligible for this, then I am popular for you. Otherwise, I am not popular for you. Okay. So now, the next statement is, I prefer walking. I prefer walking from to cycling. So it means all my students love me very much, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Everyone love me, love my nature.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you to my all dear students. Thank you. So the next sentence is, I prefer walking forward to cycling. So what we have to use the correct preposition from here? Tell me.
What the
I prefer walking from for cycling. What is the correct preposition? From? No. No. This is not the correct answer. This is not the correct answer. It is true. I prefer walking to cycling. So the answer is true. Now this sentence. The police must The police must be fired into Now the police must inquire into after the murder. So tell me, when police come, after the murder or before the murder? When police come, after the murder or before the murder? When any case and any crime is done, then police after that, because police कभी time पे नहीं आती है, but still we assume कि हम पुलिस को टाइम पे आने के लिए क्योंकि जब तक ये कोई चीज होगी नहीं पुलिस पहले आएगी नहीं, सो पुलिस हमेशा बाद नहीं आती है। ओके, और एट द सेम टाइम भी आ सकती है जब कोई सिचुएशन हो रही हो, आप कॉल द पुलिस एंड टेल दैट देयर इज सम थीफ कमिंग इन माय हाउस। ओके, now the police must inquire into after the murder. So the correct preposition of this sentence is after. So you have to pick after in this sentence. Okay, now the sixth sentence. You should live in within your means. So what is the correct answer we have to choose here? Dhruvika Srivastava, just answer it. Dhruvika, you should live in within your means. What is the correct answer, Dhruvika? Dhruvika, just answer it. Wait, Mariam, wait. Yes. You don't know the answer, Dhruvika? Within. Okay, wait. Just wait, Dhruvika. Mariam, just answer it. Yeah, very good. The correct answer is in not within. So Dhruvika, correct your sentence from in. This is not within appropriate preposition you have to use in this sentence. So you should live in your means. Okay. Now this seventh sentence is trust. In on trust in and God and do right. So what is the correct preposition we have to take here in this sentence? Jessica Jaiswal, open your camera. Jessica Jaiswal, all of you just open your camera. Zora Rizvi, you know the answer? The question is trust in on God and do the right. So what we have to take, in or on? In. Trust in God. भगवान में भरोसा रखो कि भगवान पर भरोसा रखिए. What is the correct answer? Yeah, the answer is wait. Yes, Mariam, answer it. Yes, very good. Vania Hassan, answer it. It is in or on? Gaurav Chan, what is the correct answer? In or on? On. Okay, Dhruvika Srivastava, what is the correct answer? Samarth Nigam, what is the correct answer?
Sir, in.
Zora Redvi, in or on? Zora Redvi shall answer it, in or on?
Sir, in.
No. Jessica Jaswal,
Yes, sir.
what is the correct preposition we have to choose here? In or on?
Sir, on.
सिंपल से फंडा है, हम लोग कहते हैं कि भगवान पर भरोसा रखो, भगवान सब ठीक कर देगा। तो भगवान पर भरोसा रखना है कि भगवान में भरोसा रखना है। तो we have to use on here. The trust on God and to be right. Where on is the correct preposition or the appropriate preposition in this kind of sentences. So you have to tick on. So everyone who gives the answer can just correct your sentence and tick on the on preposition. Now, the eighth one. They arrived.
Sir, what is not clear?
Okay, beta. Now what is clear now?
Yes, sir. This is good.
Now, they arrived by all their baggage. What is the meaning of baggage? What is the meaning of baggage? Anyone know what is the meaning of baggage? Baggage. Zora Redvi, Manya Ansar, Velan Khan, you know the meaning of baggage? Who know the meaning of baggage? Manya Ansar, you know the answer? Acha, okay. Wait. I will do some activity. Now then answer it. Wait. Yeah. I take my bag and I am coming to Vanya's house. So this is my baggage. Okay. Means our luggage, our bags is called baggage. अगर हम किसी के घर जाते हैं तो बैगेज लेके जाते हैं ना, बैग्स वगैरह लेके जाते हैं ना, तो they arrived all their baggage. तो what is the correct preposition in this sentence? Mariam Khan, what is the correct answer? Mariam Khan, what is the correct answer? Prakhar Bajpai, what is the correct answer? With, very good. The correct answer is with. They arrived with all their baggage. Okay. So just like that, I am coming to Vanya's house. I am just like that. I am going to Vanya's house. Okay. I am coming to Vanya's house. So Vanya, when I reach your home, what you have to give me for eating? आप मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट कराएंगे? नहीं कराएंगे? आप मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट कराएंगे कि नहीं कराएंगे? अच्छा मैं आपको कराऊंगा। नहीं कराएंगे? देखो प्रखर वाजपेयी बोला नहीं कराएंगे नाश्ता। प्रखर वाजपेयी आप ब्रेकफास्ट कराओगे हमें? अच्छा समर्थ आप हमें नाश्ता करवाओगे तो आपके घर आएंगे? अच्छा चलिए थैंक यू फॉर दिस। So now
Recording in progress.
the ninth sentence is we parted wait beta wait the next sentence is we parted with from each other yesterday. So what is the correct preposition we have to fill here? या प्रखर वाजपेयी टेल the answer. Okay, Jessica Jaiswal. Yes, Jessica Jaiswal. Wait. Jessica Jaiswal, just answer it. Okay, Mariam Khan, just answer it. Yeah, the answer is from not present. We parted from each other yesterday. That means we separate from yesterday. ठीक? Now the second one is at the last one. They sat under in the shade of a tree. Wait, beta. Now, so what we take a correct preposition in both prepositions? We said dash the shade of a tree. It is under or in? Yes, Kevin. Yeah, very good. The answer is under. All the students of 4th C are given their answer very smartly. They give all the answer correctly. So I will clap for you. You've done a very good job. Okay. Now, exercise number 5 is your homework. Okay? Exercise number 5 is your homework. In this exercise, you have to fill the correct preposition in the passage and take a picture of that when you complete that exercise and send it in the group for free. Okay? So send this picture on the group, and today's work, when it is done, you have to take a picture and send it again in the WhatsApp group. So exercise 4 is done, and send it the new exercise on the WhatsApp group. Now just send the photos now and again back to the video. Just send the picture of exercise number 4 in a group. Take a picture of that and again come back to your group meeting. Just send a picture of exercise number 4 in a group. If you complete the exercise. If you completed the exercise, take a picture of that exercise and send it on your group. Everyone sent their photos on the group. Everyone sent their photos